Steve here from Tech Toy Tinker and Retro Arena. Today is going to be a very brief video to introduce RC 1.9 of Retro Arena. The key feature in this build is that I've restored advanced MAME to this, which means we now have access to systems like BBC Micro if you use a wireless keyboard. There's Arcadia 2001, there's Bally Astrocade, there's Entex Adventurevision. It also leaves room for me to add other systems in the future, like Color Computer or Coco, Atom, things of that nature. So I'm going to go through and give you guys a brief how-to in terms of using advanced MAME, because it's a little bit different than the standard setup. First thing I have to do is switch to my second SD card so I can see my games, which would be typical when you're first booting this build up anyway. Alright, so now that that's done, you'll be able to see here. There's Astrocade. We're going to go through them one at a time. It's pretty straightforward. The start button is going to bring up your menu where you'll input your controls per game. I haven't set that up for you simply because it's a per game setting and I'd have to go through literally every game of each system and do it. So you press start like this here. You can go to input general, which I don't recommend you change because it's already set up. That's done by start, and then per system you want to go to input this system and set that up. Pressing select will take you back and it will also exit the emulator. The exact same thing is true for Arcadia as well. Start is to set up your controls, select is to exit. You're free to bind all the other buttons as you see fit. I've already set up the controls for the Adventurevision, so I can kind of show you quickly, but it's the same start select combination here. So here's what you'll do right here. I can move now, as you can see. For BBC here, you will require the use of a keyboard. I'll show you what I mean real quick. There's certain commands you have to type in before you can run the game, and they're not scripted yet, so you need a Bluetooth or a USB keyboard so that you can enter stuff right here at this menu to launch the title you're trying to run. Right now you can use BBC A or B. 128 is not working quite yet. Also over here, we've gone ahead and we've fixed Super GameBoy was missing from the list of Nintendo systems. Super GameBoy, for those of you that do not know what it is a cartridge adapter for the Super Nintendo that colorizes your Game Boy cartridges. I'll give you a quick example with Bomberman here. Now, you see how the color palette is red here? I'm not going to make you watch every single one, but as you can see, there's a lot of different color variations depending on the model of Super Game Boy and the color palette that you should choose to use. There's still going to be a couple of more updates coming. There's a few more systems that I think that we can add, and Christian Haitian and I have been talking, and we think we can get a standalone BBC Micro emulator coming in a future build as well. There's also going to be some improvements to PSP and Flycast that are going to have to be made. But that's about it for the 1.9 release video and for this video period. As always, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Hope you enjoyed the video. Take care.